Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you like to create this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows. As you can see, I have a huge bald spot there, so definitely got to cover that. And I'm going to use Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Now I noticed that my eyebrows weren't looking as sharp, so I want to go ahead and use my MAC concealer. And now we're going to use Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star in the color Tongue Pop. I love all his products, so I'm so excited to use this palette. And guys, now we're going to use the color Blush Sugar, just like the palette. Oh my god guys, this color is so beautiful. I love it. And I'm still using the same brush, which is Morphe M518. And guys, using the palette Modern Renaissance, I'm going to use the color Red Ochre, I think that's how you say it. And I will be using the brush Morphe M433. I'm just going back to that brush M518 to kind of blend that out a little bit. And with Tarte concealer and a flat brush, we're going to cut half of the crease. With Sigma E62 brush, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the red ochre over the line where I cut the crease. And with the Morphe M518 brush, I'm just blending that out. And with the brush Morphe M503, I'm going to use this huge palette. It's called Artistry, and I'm going to apply Passion in my outer corner. Alright guys, so this is from Peaches and Cream, is loose eyeshadow pigment, and with the Morphe E35 brush and the Too Faced glitter glue, I'm going to apply some of that in my eyelid. Now guys, I actually ended up using Stilla liquid glitter in Bronze Belle because I wanted to stay within the rose gold colors. And going back to the Passion color, I'm just applying more to my outer corner. And of course, we gotta clean this face, because we can't be looking like this. Alright, now we're just going to apply some Fenty Beauty primer all over our face and neck. And as always, I'm using Too Faced foundation Born This Way. And guys, don't worry, I will be listing all the products down below. And using Tarte concealer, I'm going to highlight my face. And just blend that out with the beauty blender. And with Kat Von D contour palette, I'm going to contour my nose and my cheeks, and I'm going to use the color Shadow Play. I'm going to use Kat Von D setting powder. Now it's important that you do use setting powder because it does blur all fine lines and pores, giving you that extra beautiful look. And using my flat brush, Morphe M432, I'm going to apply red ochre to my lower lash line. And I'm just going back to Tongue Pop from the Blood Sugar palette just to kind of fade that out. Now, because I wanted my lower lash line to pop a little, I decided to add a little bit of the Blood Sugar color from the Blood Sugar palette. Now that I have allowed the setting powder to set, which by doing that it allows heat from your face to set base and the concealer, so when you dust it off it leaves a flawless finish. With Morphe M501 brush, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, and I'm going to use Anastasia Dream Glow Kit in the color Regal. Yeah, that one right there. Can't see anything. There we go. Now I can see some glow. Got to apply some mascara before applying my lashes. And chapstick break. And for this look, I'm going to use Smashbox liquid lipstick, which is called Petal Metal. Alright guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? This is a rose gold look and it was requested by one of you guys. So definitely leave some comments, and if you would like for me to create another look with similar colors, but more like a smoky eye, definitely let me know. I was tempted to go in that route, but I wanted to stay with the rose gold colors, so I didn't want to add any more darker colors so it won't look smoky. So yeah, I'm not a fan of these lashes. I bought these lashes a year or a few years ago in Ulta, and they're like Halloween, so they're like hard. So they were kind of difficult to work with, but I'm not as good with eyelashes, so go figure. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you have any questions, like I said, or any suggestions, let me know down below. And don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye. Actually going to try my wig. Oh my god. I'm not gonna put the clips because I just want to try it. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. What's happening? What's up? Alright, enough of this.